Hi everyone, welcome back to the Daytona office hours. As always, we will go over the latest updates in our open source project. So let's take a look at the commit history, starting with last Wednesday. As you can see, there haven't been that many new features in the past week. That is because our focus was on upgrading our infrastructure for continued improvements in stability and performance. So these four are the ones that we're going to go through today, starting off with the first PR made by our colleague Ivan. He fixed a issue with managing toolbox sessions. Previously, if you tried to create a new session with the same name as a previously deleted toolbox session, this would fail because our cleanup logic was flawed. This has now been taken care of. Next, another PR by Ivan. This was just a minor fix for error handling during the Sandbox destroy action. Next, our colleague Toma, he modified the auto archiving cron job that previously had an issue with not respecting the threshold of allowed concurrent archival processes on a single runner. This has now been resolved. And finally, maybe the biggest improvement this week has been the refactor of the polling mechanism that we use for syncing Sandbox states with their desired states. Now we introduced query streaming, and this has showed that it prevented previous edge cases where sometimes sandboxes would wait for a state update for a longer time. So this is it for this week. Next week, we'll see many more features, I'm sure of it. Maybe the most important one will be a long-awaited refactor to the archival process. This is something that will probably be released tomorrow or on Friday, and it will bring major improvements to the archiving process. So yeah, that's it for this week. If you have any questions, hit us up on Slack or Twitter. And as always, thanks for watching, and see you again next week.